Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of oral care with what we believe is the best Bruxism mouthguard available, the BruxArmor Nightguard. Let's get into it. If you're one of the millions struggling with bruxism, or teeth grinding, you know the toll it can take on your dental health and overall well-being. That's where the BruxArmor Nightguard steps in as your nighttime protector. Crafted with elite quality and fit in mind, this Nightguard is not your average dental protector. Designed by dentists, it's made to withstand the rigors of nighttime bruxing. But what truly sets it apart is its patented fitting material, ensuring a custom fit tailored just for you. Using this guard is a breeze. It's safe, comfortable, and boasts an easy fitting process that takes just a couple of minutes. No need for complicated setups. Simply pop it in the microwave, and you're ready to go. But what about peace of mind? Plus, with a small business backing it, you can support local while protecting your teeth. So, why choose the BruxArmor Nightguard? Elite quality, professional-grade design, and unbeatable comfort make it the go-to choice for bruxism relief. Say goodbye to nights of grinding and hello to restful sleep. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy shopping!